Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are starting a new project and I am very excited. I just thought about this idea with 5 products, 5 uses, so it is already clear what is happening. I am very excited. I will link down below the video with this look because I just filmed it. It is a get ready with me using nothing new because I am starting a no-buy for the next 2 months, so August and September. I have here 5 products. I want this project to be a bit different than the project pen, just because first of all I am picking only 5 products, so it is a bit of a smaller quantity. The goal is clear. I want to use these 5 times and after that I'm gonna swap them out, and as well I am gonna put in here other products than makeup, so that could be hair care, that could be skincare, that could be makeup, that could be, I don't know, perfume. I have one perfume in here, so something like that. And yeah, let's start in no particular order with this one. I have a mini of the lip sleeping mask from Laneige and I do like this product. In my opinion, it is a good sealer, so a product to apply on top of another lip balm or something like that, just to have everything on your lips and you will have very juicy and plumped lips in the morning. I really like it, but I'm lazy, so I'm not using it. So I'm taking this chance and adding it to this project because I want to use it at least 5 times. And by the way, I want to film this video every, I don't know, 2 weeks, 1 month, I don't know exactly, but I want this video to be like a bonus video. We will see how that goes because 2 weeks is a bit little time, but I have 5 uses as well, so 5 uses could be done in 1 week if I want to. So yeah, we will see, but for now I'm planning every 2 weeks. This is the berry one. I really like it. It is a great product, so I want to use it 5 times. The perfume that I put in here, it is a very, I think this is the oldest perfume in my collection. I would like to finish this one up. It is a nice perfume from Zara. It is called the Wonder Rose Summer. I am pretty sure that this is very well discontinued, so I don't think you can purchase it, but it smells nice. It is a fruity, florally perfume in my opinion, and as you can see I have just a tiny bit left, so I want to use it 5 times, and after that, who knows, maybe I will finish it up, maybe it will, I don't know, maybe it will stay a bit longer in my collection, but I really like it. I think it is a great scent for the summer, so I decided to put it in here. Another product that I'm not really using too much and it is very new in my collection is this one. This is the NYX Butter Gloss Bling. So I would like to test different ways to use this one because I don't really like it. And with my no-buy in mind as well, this is a bad product for me to purchase. I already know that I don't like shimmery lips. Something just a bit with some shimmer, like the Natasha Denona new gloss, the plumping one. That one is beautiful and it has only gold shimmers and they are few and far between, so it's okay. I have others, but the other ones, maybe the Nivea one is a bit shimmery, but I don't know, that one is the most beautiful shimmery lip gloss because it is a bit on the milky side. This one, it's blingy bling. I really don't, it's not for me, but I would like to test it in multiple ways. Maybe apply a lip gloss that is just sheer and then the smallest amount of this in the middle or something, or maybe create an ombre with this, put it on the edge and then in the middle something a bit more like the Nivea one. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but with these 5 uses I just want to see if I can make this one work because it is a waste not to use it. It's a nice formula, but it's too blingy for me. Then I have a blush. This is the MAC Warm Soul. It is a stunning blush, and I don't know, but I'm neglecting this one. I didn't use it in the last 2-3 months, I think, and it is a shame. It's so beautiful. It's like a pinky nudish shade, and I am sure that with my tan right now it will look great because it will look very natural, and it has some shimmers as well. It's just a great formula and a great shade, so I want to use it more. In this project I just want to have some fun because I'm not putting something from all categories. It's just a bit jumbled in here, and I do like that because I want to make some products work or to use products that I'm neglecting and stuff like that. And lastly we have the number 5, and I decided to put an eyeshadow in here. It is the Oden Robert shade. It is an absolute stunning shade. It's like a purpley gray shade, but it is so shimmery, so blingy. It's absolutely stunning, so I want to use it more. It is, like I said, a shame that I'm not using something like this more often, but I want to see if I like it on the lower lash mostly, or if I can apply it very diffusely on the lid. I want to create some more natural looks with this one and just to incorporate it more in my eye looks, because like today I have a blue wing. That is very unusual for me and pretty colorful for me right now, but somehow it looks a bit more natural and subtle, so I really like it, even though it is blue, which is not my absolute favorite color as well. So yeah, so this was it, a very quick and easy video, and I'm very excited about this project. I think it could be a lot of fun, so we will see maybe in 2 weeks if I did the 5 uses on any of them, or if I didn't even use them or something, so we will see. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.